You are going to love the 2022 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, LED headlights, tires, rear performance, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.